이뻐서.
그리고 지금 이게 HX 취소된 거거든요.
아 진짜 속상해.
We are Lucia and Mark, and this is our van Tubi. After traveling for 4 years in over 30 countries, we came to Morocco for a complete van makeover.
Last time we saw Mark struggling with solo van life.
But it looks like this is the only sting that did damage. There's another pain here, but nothing.
So now I'm heading back to Morocco to end his misery. Good morning, guys. Today I have a busy day because I have to pack it up for going back Morocco. I wrote the list so that I'm not gonna forget. So let's keep it up. Let's do it. Mark asked me to bring this one jumper because our previous one is broken. I have another luggage over there. Oh, and this is like 22.4 kilograms. So I packed it up 2 weeks ago so that I'm not gonna touch anything in here. So this one is ready to go. 허리 빠지겠다. 보자, 시간 보자. I have to do other stuff because a traveler asked me a favor to do some stuff for his documentation. Guys, I'm ready to leave. Let's go, let's go. First I need to go is town hall. 네, 고맙습니다. I'm almost to the police station. 경찰서는 항상 뭔가 무서워. Okay guys, I just come back. I got his international driver license. Today, I'm gonna pack rest of stuff. But before that, I need to catch up the breath. Good morning, guys. My flight to Morocco is tomorrow, but I don't have a flight from the Busan to the Morocco, so I have to leave today. And yeah, today is the last day. I'm gonna see my room. I feel so weird. It was nice to be back at home anyways.
You were in the spotlight, I am hidden. Reaching out for your hands, can you feel me now? Trying to give a sign that I'm right here.
Today, my parents came with me. I asked them to intern with me because I really want to spend every moment, every second with them until I leave Korea. I had to come back here because my grandmother was sick. When my parents contacted me, my grandmother was in ICU and I was really concerned about my grandmother's health. And right before I come to Korea, she's getting better. 2 weeks ago, finally I can see my grandmother, so I gave her a hug and I gave her a little gift for her. So it was nice. Coming back to Korea, it was really great. Just I spent time with my parents every day. Just walk around the neighborhood, and we went to really delicious places together. So tonight I'm gonna eat with my parents and talk a little bit, and say goodbye at the airport tomorrow.
그렇게 안 되는데 내가 퍼먹으면 되는데.
고기가 안 빈다.
고기 없다, 숙소에.
있다. 약간 그 딱딱하게 씹히는 게 그거다. 아버지 몰랐는데 나도.
Arriving in Incheon airport and I'm gonna check in my luggage too. 뭘 아파.
프랑크푸르트에 오후 7시에 도착하고 10시에 프랑크푸르트에서 카자블랑카로. 오늘 미넨 가시잖아요.
네.
그리고 지금 이게 HX 취소된 거거든요.
전 취소 메일 같은 거 받은 적 없는데.
자발해서 변경할 것 같은데 좀 돈을 내셔야 될 거예요. 이 이슈
비용을 더 내야 된다고요?
그럴 수도 있어요.
이건 제 잘못이 아닌 거잖아요.
이거는 근데 저희 쪽에서
Okay, guys, I was quite upset. Today when I check in, and she said like I have to stay in the Frankfurt because the flight is cancelled to going to Morocco. So I didn't get any information. They didn't send me a text message. They didn't send me any email. I have to check my another luggage in Frankfurt and get out of the airport and then stay somewhere that I can, sleep. And then next day I have to go to the Frankfurt airport and then check in again. That is so messed up. I'm so mad at the airline. They did strike and it delayed 10 days to coming back to Korea. And then now they did again. So I just talked with Mark, and Mark is searching for the hotel for me, and he's gonna book it.
Stepping on your roller coaster, going down, but I never felt this high. Biggest ride of the century. Wanna drop into the ocean, wanna feel like we're the only ones around, but I'm lost.
I arrive in Frankfurt. I need to go to the baggage claim and guys, I just checked in my hotel and I check inside. There's no water. I need to get some water and a beer if possible. Guys, this is a heaven for me. Actually, the beer price is really good. In Morocco, beer is quite expensive, but here, yeah, I remember it's good price.
여러분, 저는 호텔로 돌아왔습니다. 맥주를 샀어요. 프랑크푸르트에 제가 이렇게 지내게 될 줄 몰랐어요. 비행기도 이렇게 딜레이되고 캔슬된 거 그래 최대한 긍정적으로 생각해가지고 하자라고 했는데, 제일 좀 속상한 거는 이제 제가 이제 부산에서 모로코를 가는 연결된 비행기가 없다 보니까 부모님이랑은 조금 약간 배웅도 잘 받고 싶기도 하고 안녕이라 인사를 너무 잘 하고 싶었어요. 저는 이번에 갔을 때 3년 만에 간 거니까. 근데 인천공항 가자마자 내 비행기가 취소됐다는 것과, 그리고 비행기가 그날 바로 뜨지 않고 다음 날에 뜬다는 것, 26시간 후에 뜬다는 것을 알고 난 후에 너무 멘붕이 왔고, 일단 호텔을 찾아야 돼가지고 부모님이랑 인사를 잘 못했어요. 진짜 속상해. 그래서 결국 부모님이랑 이야기하고 마지막에 잘 지내라, 건강하게 지내라, 술 좀 더 마시고 이렇게 잔소리도 할 시간이 필요했는데 그 시간이 없어진 거예요. 갑자기 부모님은 야, 니 프랑크푸르트 가면 어떻게 한대? 공항 근처에 호텔이 엄청 비쌀 텐데 어떻게 하냐? 도착해가지고 그 걱정이 가중이 된 거예요. 모르겠다, 나도 진짜. 근데 저는 여기서 잠시 마무리를 하고 진짜 쉬어야 될 것 같아요.
Good morning. I slept quite okay. My flight will be 10 p.m. I have to wait somewhere, so let's figure it out. Okay, now I have to eat some lunch. Hello. Can I have a currywurst? Currywurst, yeah. There we go. Nice.
No, just cash.
No, it's a camera.
Why camera?
It's like taking a video.
Okay, this is a camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
because it's my first time to try.
Oh.
I was in Germany so many times. Somehow, like, next time I will come back, and then never try.
Oh, I never saw this.
Yeah, it's quite tiny.
There you go.
Okay, thank you. Guys, look at this. The first one is really good. Really good. Lucy, you did a good job to find this. It was really, really delicious. I really liked this sausage and the curry. It was just perfect combination for me. I might go to coffee shop or something that I can stay. I end up at the park because I was searching for a coffee shop. They are like getting to like kind of break time, like a close time. So I decided not to go and just stay at the park because I saw that people are walking around and just chilling in here. So it's like nice. 마크랑 통화하면 좋을 것 같은데 마크가 지금 라바트 근처에 있어요. 그래서 라바트에서 카사블랑카까지 한 2시간 걸리니까 운전 중에 있다고 합니다. 그래서 얘기할 사람이 없어요. 공원에서 독일의 시원한 프랑크푸르트의 공기를 마시면서 넷플릭스를 보도록 하겠습니다. I'm gonna get on the flight to Morocco today, finally. Guys, I am in Morocco. My hands on my cell phone is trying to connect to the data so that I can talk with Mark. And I'm waiting for my luggage to come too. Guys, I just got my luggage. You can see this one. When I got out, and there's a free Wi-Fi, so I just connected and I just talked with Mark, and he's waiting outside for me. So let's go. Oh my god, I'm gonna see him finally. Okay, let me go.
You were in the spotlight. I am here.